The Samsung S26 Ultra is poised to redefine the boundaries of smartphone technology, solidifying Samsung's position as a leader in innovation and premium design. As the next iteration in the Galaxy S series, the S26 Ultra is expected to build upon the strengths of the S24 and S25 models while introducing groundbreaking advancements in display, performance, camera capabilities, and AI integration. One of the most anticipated features is its 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display, which will likely support a 1 Hz to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate for buttery-smooth visuals while optimizing battery efficiency. The screen is rumored to feature enhanced brightness levels, up to 3000 nits, making it easily readable even in direct sunlight, along with improved HDR10+ and Dolby Vision support for an unparalleled media consumption experience. Under the hood, the S26 Ultra is expected to be powered by either Samsung's in-house Exynos 2500 chipset or Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, both fabricated on an advanced 3nm process for superior performance and energy efficiency. This will be paired with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 1 TB of UFS 4.0 storage, ensuring lightning-fast app launches, seamless multitasking, and ample space for high-resolution photos and videos. Additionally, the device may introduce next-gen vapor chamber cooling to maintain peak performance during intensive tasks like gaming or 8K video editing. Photography will be a major highlight, with leaks suggesting a quad-camera system headlined by a 200MP ISOCELL HP3 main sensor, accompanied by a 50MP ultra-wide lens, a 50MP telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom, and a periscope telephoto lens with 10x optical zoom or higher. Samsung is expected to leverage enhanced AI processing for superior low-light performance, real-time object tracking, and professional-grade video stabilization. The front camera could finally adopt a completely invisible under-display solution, eliminating the need for punch holes or notches while delivering high-quality selfies. Battery life is another area where the S26 Ultra is expected to excel, with a 5500 mAh or larger dual-cell battery supporting 65W wired fast charging, 50W wireless charging, and 10W reverse wireless charging. Samsung may also introduce AI-powered battery optimization, dynamically adjusting power consumption based on usage patterns. On the software side, the phone will likely run One UI 7, based on Android 16, featuring deeper Galaxy AI integration for real-time translation, advanced voice assistant capabilities, and generative AI tools for photo and text editing. Design-wise, the S26 Ultra is rumored to feature a titanium frame, similar to the iPhone 15 Pro, for enhanced durability while maintaining a sleek, premium feel. It may also retain S Pen support, making it a versatile choice for creatives and professionals. Other potential upgrades include ultrasonic fingerprint scanning 2.0 for faster and more secure biometric authentication, Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4 for cutting-edge connectivity, and satellite communication capabilities for emergency use. With these advancements, the Samsung S26 Ultra is shaping up to be one of the most powerful and feature-rich smartphones of 2026, competing directly with Apple's iPhone 17 Pro Max and other flagship rivals. Whether it's for photography, productivity, gaming, or AI-driven experiences, the S26 Ultra is expected to set a new benchmark for what a premium smartphone can achieve.